Notice of no immunity for unlawful acts, your name or organization, your address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number, date. 2. Recipient's name or organization, recipient's address, city, state, zip code. Subject: formal notice regarding the lack of legal immunity for unlawful conduct. Dear recipient's name. Legal basis for this notice. This letter serves as formal notice that no individual, agency, organization, or government official is above the law, and no claim of immunity shall extend to acts that are unlawful, unconstitutional, or in direct violation of established legal principles. 1. Supremacy of the law. Under constitutional law, no individual or entity is granted immunity for actions that violate statutory, regulatory, or constitutional mandates. 2. Personal and organizational accountability. Any person or entity acting beyond the scope of their lawful authority shall be held liable for any damage, harm, or injury caused by their actions. 3. Violation of rights. Any act infringing upon the fundamental rights of individuals, as protected by law, shall be subject to legal scrutiny, prosecution, and civil or criminal liability. 4. Unlawful orders and actions. Following an unlawful order does not absolve one from personal responsibility for participating in unlawful conduct. Immediate required actions. 1. Cease and desist from any unlawful acts. Any current or planned action in violation of the law must be halted immediately. 2. Provide legal justification. If immunity is being claimed for specific actions, provide a written legal basis and supporting documentation. 3. Acknowledge receipt and compliance. Submit a written acknowledgement that this notice has been received and that compliance with legal standards is understood. Legal consequences for noncompliance. Failure to adhere to the law and continuing to engage in unlawful conduct may result in civil and criminal liability, legal actions including lawsuits, fines, or criminal prosecution. Revocation of authority, potential removal from office, termination of employment, or withdrawal of privileges. Public and legal scrutiny, exposure to governmental investigations, public disclosure, and reputational consequences. This notice shall serve as official and documented communication that immunity does not apply to unlawful actions, and any continued violations will be pursued through the appropriate legal channels. A response addressing this matter is expected no later than specific date. If you require further clarification, you may contact me at your contact information. Sincerely, your name, your position, if applicable, your organization name, if applicable.